Okay. So let's have more examples for converting the general equation to standard form. For example, number 3, no, we will find the radius and center of a circle as a general equation of x squared plus y squared minus 5x minus y minus 6 is equal to 0. So the first step will be the groupings, no? Pagsasamahin po natin yung magkakasamang x, then yung mga y. And itatranspose ulit din natin yung 6. So, ganito po siya isulat. So, magiging x squared minus 5x plus blank, then plus y squared minus y plus blank is equal to 6. Then the second step is the CTS or the completing the square. Okay? So by completing the squares, ang kailangan natin formula is b over 2 squared. Okay? So let's substitute the value of b. Para kay x, ang value ni b is negative 5 over 2, then squared. As you can see, hindi natin siya ma-divide, so our answer will be in fraction form. So negative 5 squared is equal to 25, and positive 2 squared will be 4. So we will add 25 over 4 both sides to make our equation balanced or equal. Now let's find the constant at y. Okay. So we have negative 1 divided by 2 squared. So negative 1 squared will be positive 1, and 2 squared will be 4. So plus 1/4 and 1/4 on the right side. Okay. Then after this, the third step na tayo. So rewrite, no, to get the standard form. So magiging x minus 5 over 2 squared plus y minus 1/2 squared and equal to the constant. So dito, ang naging case natin dito, nagkaroon tayo ng fraction form. So first, we need to find the LCD. So lahat ng LCD niya ay 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Plus 25 plus 1. Therefore, 50 over 4 or equal kay 25 over 2. So, 25 over 2. So, this is our standard form. So, pwede po maging fraction yung bigay natin, ha? Okay. So now let's find the value of center and radius. So the center will be h and k. So the h will be equal to 5 over 2 and k will be 1/2. And the radius is equal to, kunin natin, r squared is equal to 25 over 2. So square root natin sila. R is equal to square root of 25 over square root of 2. So square root of 25 is 5 and square root of 2 is square root of 2. So take note, no? It is advisable to have no radical numbers or radical signs in the denominator. So we will do rationalization. So from this, we'll multiply natin siya ng pareho ng square root of 2 over square root of 2. So magiging 5 times square root of 2, so 5 square root of 2. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 is equal to 2. So our radius will become 5 square root of 2 over 2. Okay, so therefore, these are our answers. Okay? So next example, number 4. Find the radius and center of a circle has a general equation of 4x squared plus 4y squared plus 8x minus 16 minus 80 is equal to 0. As you can see on our given, so we have a coefficient 4x squared and y squared. So the first thing to do, if you have cases na makikita nyo yung ganito, may value yung ating x squared, may kasamang constant si x squared sa si y squared. So check first if the divisibility or if the given is divisible by the coefficient of x squared and y squared. Divisible ba sila lahat? So let's check. So divide natin kay 4, divide mo kay 4, divide mo kay 4, divide mo kay 4, divide mo kay 4. So our equation now will be x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. So question, nabago ba yung equation natin? No. We just do the reduction. Anong reduction? Same lang tayo ng value ng equation pa rin natin. Kumbaga, pinababa lang o pinaliit lang natin yung value niya. Okay? So, ganun pa rin yan. So, first step pa rin tayo, regroup. Dito ko na lang ilagay. So, magiging x squared plus 2x plus blank plus y squared minus 4y plus blank equal kay 20. So second step, completing the square, b over 2. So 2 over 2 squared. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Squared is equal to 1. Then second part, magiging negative 4 over 2 squared will become negative 2 squared. Negative 2 times negative 2 squared will be equal to 4. So don't forget to add those value on the right side. So plus 1 plus 4. So third step. So let's do the factoring method. So magiging x plus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equal to 25. So baka nahihirapan pa rin mag-factoring yung iba, no? Saan ba natin nakukuha itong mga value na to? O tandaan nyo lang, dito lang yan, no? Sa b over 2. Dito din yan, no? b over 2. Okay? And after that, we can now find the radius and the center. So the radius from r squared is equal to 25. Therefore, our r will become 5. Diba? Square root of 25 is 5. And our center, h and k, is equal to negative 1 and 2. Okay, do you understand? Okay. So for the last example, example number 5, find the radius and center of a circle as a general equation of 3x squared plus 3y squared plus 4x minus 6y minus 4 is equal to 0. As you can see, if you will check the divisibility of the coefficient of x squared and y squared, we will just cancel the value, or we will just reduce the value with their coefficient. Di ba? O, divide natin to kay 3. Divide mo kay 3. Divide mo kay 3. Okay? Ang purpose lang naman kasi natin kung bakit natin siya dinidivide kay 3. Kasi gusto natin yung coefficient ng x squared and y squared ay equal kay y. Coefficient. Okay? Para hindi na tayo gumamit pa ng ibang formula in completing the square. Okay? So magiging x squared plus y squared plus 4/3 x plus 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2y minus 4/3 is equal to 0. Okay? So the first step, again, the group. So maging x squared plus 4/3 of x plus blank plus y squared minus 2y plus blank is equal to 4/3. Completing the square, so may fraction lang tayo, no? V over 2 squared. What is the value of V? 4/3 divided by 2, then i-squared natin. So, to divide this value, di ba, nagre-reciprocal tayo. 4/3 times 1/2 squared. And you can see, we can reduce the 2 and 4. So, 2 na lang to, ito magiging 1. So, our value now will be 2/3 squared. So, 2/3 squared is equal to 4/9. So, we will add 4/9 here. Plus 4/9 here also on the right side. Okay? So, in completing the square on the second for the value of y is, so magiging -2/2 squared, magiging -1 squared or equal kay 1. So 1 plus 1. And the third step, no? So magiging factored form niya. So ang factored form nito, saan natin makuha ulit? Kay b over 2. Ito po yun, no? b over 2. So magiging x plus 2/3 squared plus y minus 1 squared is equal to find the value of radius. So we need to perform first the LCD here. Ano LCD neto? 9, di ba? So 9 divided by 3 is 3 times 4, 12. Plus 4 plus 9 times 1 is 9. Therefore, the value of our constant will be 25/9. So 25/9. So here are the standard form. So if we ask the value of radius, so square root lang natin, di ba? R squared is equal to 25/9. Square root lang natin pareho. R is equal to 5/3. And the center will be -2/3 and +1. Okay? So that's end our discussion for converting the general equation to standard form.